Our customers range from an NFL franchise and their entire retail operation all the way down to a single store boutique in a small town. So we're really focused on building something that's extensible and creates value for a whole bunch of use cases. We needed a system that could scale with us, and we were growing fast. We were growing 50% year over year. So the problems that we were experiencing with having to reconcile across multiple systems over and over again, we're growing as fast as the customer base was growing.
Okay. Before moving to Ordway, we were on Recurly and SaaSOptics in order to manage our customer billing and deferred revenue.
And the problem with that was we've got all these different latency issues between the two. So there'd get timing issues, systems wouldn't agree. It was really hard to understand the flow of from quote to cash end to end. And so we were running all quotes out of Salesforce for CRM. So it was a manual process to enter them into Recurly, and then another manual process to make sure that things were entered properly in SaaSOptics. And so now we have one system that follows the quote from our sales team sending out the subscription agreement all the way through to billing and revenue recognition.
One of the benefits of using Ordway is it's very automated for us. It saves us a lot of time, reduces error on our end. I'm able to pull information from Salesforce into Ordway and vice versa. We're able to put billing information back into our Salesforce, allowing our sales team and our customer success team to view billing information that they're, privy to.
It saved me a lot of time in that I am no longer having to manually bill people in the future. We can kind of close a customer, add them to Ordway, and we're done with them, and don't really have to worry about, are they going to be billed appropriately? Are they going to be billed on the right day or for the right amount? We can set all of that up when the customer closes and not have to worry about it again.
I think we've done a much better job of starting to be more proactive about forecasting. I think we've gotten faster around some of our collections, so our AR is trending in the right way. And then just working cross-functionally to improve other processes has been a huge boon for us.
I am able to see our monthly financial periods and how they need to be booked in our general ledger, which is something that I did not have access to in our previous systems. And it is broken down into a very concise report that I'm able to just book directly into our QuickBooks and not have to worry about if the numbers are correct or not.
I know everyone on my team is thrilled with the time saving, for one thing. With the multiple systems that we were maintaining and all the different reconciliation we had to do to make sure that data was the same, that's all gone away. And that was hours and hours every month was spent on that. So that's one big thing. Two is just our sales team is creative with some of the things they come up with our customers, and we haven't seen anything from them that we couldn't handle in Ordway pretty easily.